Your garden holds more than meets the eye. It's a blank canvas brimming with possibilities, a sanctuary waiting to come alive, a statement of your values, and a step toward a greener planet. Transforming it into an eco-friendly haven blends innovation, beauty, and a deep connection to nature. And here's the twist. Creating this dream space is easier than you think, with every step leading to a garden that redefines what it means to feel truly at home outdoors. Picture this, a garden where every element, from the soft glow of solar-powered lights to the lush greenery, works in harmony with nature. The air feels fresher, the colours are more vibrant, and the gentle hum of bees and chirping birds becomes a soothing backdrop to your everyday life. This is the vision we'll bring to life, one step at a time, creating a space that's as kind to the earth as it is beautiful in. Start with the soil beneath your feet. Healthy, nutrient-rich soil is the foundation of any thriving garden. But how do you make it eco-friendly? Begin with composting. Kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells can be turned into a rich organic fertilizer that nourishes your plants while reducing waste. If space is a concern, compact composting bins are a fantastic solution, and they're easy to manage even in smaller gardens. This small change can significantly reduce your household's contribution to landfills while giving your plants the sustenance they crave. Once the soil is ready, it's time to select your plants. Native species are your best friends when it comes to eco-friendly gardening. They're adapted to the local climate, require less water, and attract beneficial wildlife like pollinators. Imagine vibrant clusters of wildflowers swaying in the breeze, or shrubs that change with the seasons, offering year-round visual interest. Pair these with edible plants, herbs like basil and mint, or vegetables like tomatoes and peppers. Not only do these add a practical element to your garden, but there's a unique joy in harvesting your own food. And here's a tip: group plants with similar water needs together to conserve resources and make irrigation more efficient. Water is another key element to consider. Traditional gardens can be surprisingly water intensive, but there are plenty of ways to reduce waste without sacrificing beauty. Rainwater harvesting is a game changer. Install a rain barrel under your gutter downspouts to collect water for later use. For irrigation, consider drip systems, which deliver water directly to the roots where it's needed most, minimising evaporation and runoff. And for those moments when rain feels like a distant memory, drought-tolerant plants like succulents or ornamental grasses can maintain your garden's charm with minimal watering. Now, let's talk design. An eco-friendly garden doesn't have to sacrifice style. In fact, sustainability can elevate the aesthetic. Paths made from reclaimed materials like broken concrete, bricks, or natural gravel add rustic charm, while reducing the demand for new. For seating, look for furniture crafted from recycled wood or metal. These not only bring character to your garden, but also align with the sustainable ethos we're building. And don't underestimate the power of vertical gardening. Wall-mounted planters or trellises draped with climbing plants can make the most of limited space while creating a lush, layered effect. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Solar-powered lights are the perfect choice for an eco-friendly escape. Imagine pathways illuminated by soft, warm glows or strings of fairy lights draped across tree branches. These not only enhance the atmosphere, but also eliminate the need for electricity, reducing your carbon footprint. For a dramatic touch, consider motion sensor lights powered by the sun. They're practical, sustainable, and add a layer of security to your outdoor space. Wildlife is an integral part of any eco-friendly garden. Encouraging biodiversity doesn't just benefit the environment, it adds life and vibrancy to your space. Birdhouses, bee hotels and butterfly feeders can attract a variety of species, creating a dynamic and engaging environment. Even a small pond or water feature can become a haven for frogs, dragonflies and other aquatic life. Think of your garden as a micro-ecosystem, one where every element works together to create balance and harmony. Mulching is another unsung hero in sustainable gardening. By covering your soil with organic mulch like wood chips or straw, You'll retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Plus, as the mulch breaks down, it adds nutrients back into the soil, creating a continuous cycle of nourishment. This simple step can make a world of difference, especially in hot, dry climates where water conservation is essential. A garden should be as much about you as it is about nature. Personal touches make the space uniquely yours while reinforcing its eco-friendly mission. Upcycling is a fantastic way to achieve this. If this journey inspires you, share it with others. Encourage your friends and family to embrace eco-friendly practices in their own gardens. Imagine the collective impact if more of us took these steps. Together, we can create a greener, more beautiful world, one garden at a time. And if you're looking for more tips and inspiration, subscribe to this channel. Let's make eco-friendly living a movement, starting with the spaces closest to us.